and then truck 1. Correct? So truck 1. Next, 4 lakh 19. 19. Again, debit. Motor insurance. Motor insurance 1000. So S100, truck 1. Got it? So I will post for all. Next it will come 40016. This is for, again I am giving debit. So this is for the fuel expenses. Fuel expenses, say it is 1900 and it is again S100 we are posting, but this time this expenditure is not related to truck 2. It is related to truck 2. Correct. Next. Then again 40017. Repairs and maintenance, right? So how much repairs and maintenance? So say it is 11,200. Okay. So this is S100 and this will be my truck 2. So then again I am giving 40018 debit. So here the driver cost is the same. So it is S100 truck 2. Correct. Good. Next, then 40019, then it is debit, then it is what is this?
Motor insurance.
Yeah, say 300, S100, truck 2. Correct.
So motor insurance is same now, 1,000 rupees. Why? Same truck, same insurance.
Yeah, maybe it is some old truck, na? Maybe. The new truck does not have, pollution and all that. Okay.
Okay.
Now 400. This is just all cooked up, na? It is all fake. We are just creating one story, fictional story. So what is this now? It is fuel, right? Fuel. So 1300 fuel. S100, truck 3, na? Truck 3, correct. So we are able, so this is, again I am repeating, we don't post like this. Throughout the month expenditures will be happening. They will be posting, at the time of posting they will be doing like this. Clear? 40017, debit. So this is what repairs and maintenance, na? Repairs and maintenance 2100. Okay. S100 truck what is it? Truck 3. Correct.
S100 which department it is?
S100 which department it is?
Okay.
No, this is what it is. 40018 driver cost, na? Same. S100 truck 3. Next, 4 lakh.
Motor insurance.
Motor. So motor insurance I am saying it is 1100. Okay, so now it's 100
Truck
3.
So bank staff.
2 lakhs.
Correct, 2 lakhs. Credit. Put star. Perfect. Enter. Good, na? So total this month we spent 35,800.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Post. Good, na? So done. So now we will see how we are going to get the report. Alright, we are able to take the decision or not, we will. Now step number 6. Step number 6 is check cost center report for S100. Okay, what is the T code?
KSB1.
Okay, let's go to KSB1 now. /n KSB1. What is my cost center? S100. Correct.
Group.
So I can give the group na directly.
Yes, sir.
Every month we are looking at this only. Correct. Every month we are looking at this report only. So how much I will get for this?
35,800.
36. Right. So here I am able to see, yeah, how much for times fuels have been, repairs have been posted, drivers have been posted, motor, how much is posted I am able to see. Correct. And individual also I can see, no? Suppose if it is repairs I want to see how much, correct. So I can directly give here 4 lakh, directly I can give 4 lakh 70. This also I am able to. But out of all this, is there any way where I know which truck it is? No. So my cost centers reports are not providing me that information, correct now? Right. So now I want to know where is the problem, okay? So now we already collected the data, right? So now we can get the report like this. Okay, next node on check. Check for internal order reports. Okay, for trucks. What is the T code? KOB1. Hold on. KOB1. Okay, KOB1. Now, hold on. So now let us see whether we have the required information now. So slash n KOB1, I'll go like this. Give the truck 1 to truck 2, correct? Truck 3, sorry. Truck 3. Correct now?
Yes.
4 lakh I can give like this now, vehicle maintenance group. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, hold on. So now I will get a truck wise information, no? Not cost center wise, not cost element wise, truck wise I will get. Correct now, how much maintenance is happening for each truck I am able to get that report. So this is not regularly I want to see all this. Okay, execute. Okay, you see now, first truck 8,600, second truck 18,700, third truck 8,500. So like that you will be able to see. So now which truck is the problem? Truck 2 is the problem. Correct? So we are going to identify like this and we will replace. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So here nowhere cost center, nothing is there. You see, directly we are able to see each order wise. Okay, truck wise we are able to see. So like this, not only for trucks, for anything you can generate the for so many requirements. This is the sales department, then one example is. But for many places, many requirements, you can create a order. Okay, and you can meet the reporting requirements of your client. Okay. Okay.
So this is so similar like distribution cycle, but there we have to give the percentage which is distributed equally, but here we have
No, totally different concept. Yeah, they may look the same, but distribution is used to distribute the cost. Here this is used to identify a problem, right? Where the problem is. Okay? The purpose is totally
not bad.
Yes, no.
the client will tell us if they want the internal order or we will be doing it.
See, they have a problem, correct? They will ask for a solution. You will propose, this is the way you can do it. They will accept and it will be provided.
Okay.
Correct? They are saying we are not able to do this, right? So actually most of the clients, once they know, they will have an idea. Correct. So first time they may not know, but once they identify like, there is a solution like this, they will say next time you say, I want orders first. Correct. Like that. Okay.
Let's move up.
sometimes they will be having a project going on in their company. So right, so project wise, so they want to identify in the project where the cost is going. So many things. Very great stuff. Okay.
Sir, scroll up, sir, the definitions. I have to. Yes, we're done. Thank you.
So can you show the point number 6, step number 6?
Number 6.
Uh,
Cost center report, normal report, KSB1 report.
Sir, KSB1 is like line item display file like ABL1 and 3 and 5
Yeah. So it is a report basically. Cost center, right?
Yes, sir.
It is like FS10N. For GL account, you have a balance, na?
Okay.
A cost center balance it is.
Is it necessary if a consultant is working in FI and he will work on CO also?
You understand, now just understand you are a FI, correct? But will you use FB50 or not?
Yes.
In FI we use FB50. In FB50 we are giving cost centers and orders and all this, no? This is FB50 very much FI, no? In FI we are using this, what we are using we should know, right? At least that much, no?
So every time you have to give all this one.
You don't give, user will give, right? So this
So after
FB50
configuration we need to train user, or user will be already acquainted with this also?
You have to train, no? You have to train. User does not know. If he knows, correct. See, the company is not using SAP, no? Now they want to shift to SAP. They don't know all this, no? We have to train them. Okay? Yeah, train them means we will not train them for consulting, we will train them only for the report. Usage, FB50, all that we will train. Okay? Yeah. Clear everybody?
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Can you go, sir, FDS part A?
FI you are in advance, sir. Suddenly jump from CO to FI.
Sir, here give document here. Document and account and this bank.
Okay. So you want to pay to somebody, yeah?
Yeah, I have small doubts.
Okay.
38, sir. Our vendor is 38.
Okay.
Yes, especially. Cool. Amount, sir. I give amount, sir.
Okay.
And due date. Press enter, sir, once. Press, sir.
I pressed it already.
Alright.
Why when you are pressing something is happening?
Sir, business section, please give, sir.
This is used for TDS, no?
Yeah.
Business place and section code.
Yeah.
But I don't know whether South is active or not.
Not active, sir.
Not active, no? Not active. We need to activate all that. Why? What is the problem?
Actually, sir, we are created, sir, here withholding C, sir, main C3 like that. But I want another withholding C, sir. So how can I create like this, sir?
It's a code,
Yeah. Withholding C.
tax. So this is basically you are talking about withholding tax.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you give the business section, what is happening here?
They are showing only withholding code only, sir.
Uh-huh.
But I want another one. Then extra.
Tax type you are talking.
Yeah, tax type.
Tax type at the time of invoice posting. You mean?
Yeah. I want another one.
Okay,
But,
when you ask
payment.
payment.
Payment posting you mean. Okay.
yes, sir. Yeah, payment portion, correct, sir.
So at the time when you give it in here, huh?
When we sir here, so that time sir asking only one story. So I want another.
He wants to create one more, sir.
Yeah, one more.
Mm-hmm.
That payment level is I want to create one more. So how we will create?
You can directly ask now, bro. You are morning or
I am asking to lab faculty, but sorry, like that word.
So okay, the
Please
time of
answer to lab faculty.
I am already answered, bro.
let me see. Okay, just 1 minute. We will try to solve the problem. Somewhere here you will have last time in the class I think we have done this at the
Yes,
time
sir. We are done, sir. But
payment posting.
Yes, sir.
So next it will ask for the tax code, na C2 we will give.
Yeah, like that, sir.
So here if you give it is asking, huh?
Yes, sir.
I have some notes.
Yeah, tell me.
In FI, I have created vendor group. I have created one vendor and I have supposed to create another vendor, but it is not. It is saying that what is act group using internal not assignment.
That is a simple dot, na? Internal assignment. Yeah, don't give the number, that is it. You are giving the number, it is saying why you are giving the number, I am using internal. Don't give the number, it will give.
Okay.
So when you are pressing also it is not coming, right? Because our thing is not active.
Okay. Yeah, not that.
Yeah. Okay, we will see. Yeah, I don't want to activate it now because we are in the middle of something.
Okay.
Because already some items are there without tax, na? It will create problems. Now, so where are we? So now I am going to the next topic. Okay. Now, so the next real second type, na? Second one is the real internal order. Real internal order. Okay, this is very, very important. Yeah, statistical is also important, but real internal order very, very important.
Can you go a little up, sir, once? Yes, well, that, okay.
Okay, note down. These are internal orders. Okay, put the heading. These are created and used in scenarios where cost if we want to collect the cost related to specific event job, specific job, event or task. Yeah, no, put this heading. Note. Okay, done. So understand the concept here. Now suppose I have something where I want to collect the cost. Correct. So something like annual day is there, right? Every company they have annual day celebrations, no? Yeah. Founders Day, annual day, someday, right? So we have an annual day celebration is there. So now for that we are spending the money. Now we want to, so whenever we are spending the money, that expenditure, that will be a cost element. Now we will be posting that expenditure, right? So when we are spending that money, we have to give a cost center, no? Cost object we have to give, right? Now which cost object will you give? Now suppose we are
H100.
H100.
H100. Why H100?
H100.
We can do all
Distributed to all cost objects.
We will create separate cost centers.
Separate cost center.
Cost
Annual
element.
day cost center.
No, cost element group.
Element group. Element group. Okay. And then what you will do?
No, those all expenses we can give separate only, sir. Better separate cost center only.
So here what you want to know, I want to know how much expenditure is happening for the annual day. I want to know. So in that annual day expenditure, in an annual day expenses, all the expenses are there. Like for example, rent is the rent for auditorium. Wages is there. We are some temporary laborers are working on that. So wages is there. Insurance is there. We want to have insurance for the event. Then what else is there? Miscellaneous is there, right? So all these are normal cost elements. And I am spending. So now I want to know how much I spend for the annual day. How do I know?
Separate cost element group.
Now if I give the cost center here, now normal rent is also there. This rent also will go and join. Mix up will happen. How do I know?
Annual day separate cost object. I will give.
Yes, so that is what is the, we will create a real internal order for annual day. Correct? So directly, so this will become the cost object. Understand? So no need to give any cost center. Directly the cost will go to annual day internal order. That is what is the real order. Is it clear? Yeah? So at the time of posting, the rent for auditorium, we will give the real internal order directly. So the cost will be going to the annual day internal order directly. Is it clear?
I got it probably.
Right. So when we are spending the money for the annual day, now whose expenditure is it?
All companies, sir.
All, no?
Organization.
We cannot give one cost center, no?
Yes.
That is first point. But the second point is, here I want to see, here if I give, if suppose even if I want to collect in one cost center F100, the problem here is, now all these expenditures I am having for F100 also, na? So those normal expenditures that is happening for F100, they will also be added to the annual day expenses. You understand? Correct? So then, how do I know I am spending for annual day? Not possible, no?
You have to stimulate, no, sir.
What is
That
simulate? I did not get it. What is simulate?
To divide our charges, like the expenses, we have to divide.
Sir, I'll tell, sir, 1 minute, sir, I'll tell. Boss, if you have any marriage or anything, will you include in the monthly expenses of the home or will you keep it separate? You understood, like rent, everything, we will pay every month. At the same time, this annual day is once in a year. Marriage or anything is, we'll keep the budget separately. So for that, sir is telling that. I hope you understood it.
That was a good one.
Correct, na?
Okay.
Understood. So
It
these
will
are,
be separate. You will not put in the monthly expenses of ours. That's it. And I missed the one.
correct. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, ma. So all these expenditures normally also they are happening, but this time they are happening for annual day. Now if I give any cost center directly, what will happen? All the normal plus annual day will get added and I will, so it will all clumsy. I don't know what happened. I cannot do distribute for tomorrow. Correct or not? Because my F100 expenditure is also going to the annual day, getting mixed up, no? So what is the best thing to do? Cost, no? Collect the cost separately. I want to collect the cost of annual day separately. How now I cannot create a cost center for annual day, no? People, no, cost center for annual day? Really? No, no. Annual day is one event, no? One day. Only one day. So this is the 2022 annual day. 23 annual day is separate. It is only one event, no? So I want to collect it separately. So any event or task that I want to collect separately, then I will treat it as a real internal order, as a cost object. Directly I can collect it. Is it clear? Yeah? So then once all the costs of the coming, I will do the settlement of the order. Settlement means I will allocate to respective cost center. I will not keep it in the order. The annual day expenditure is not for, it is not like, is it not an expenditure? Yes, it is expenditure. Who should bear the cost? All the cost centers should bear the cost, but in a proper way. So once they have been collected in the annual day internal order, we will divide it into cost centers later on, not now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, but the insurance is for only 1 year, no? Means like...
This is insurance for event. Insurance for annual day.
And also for particular day or every month?
For auditorium for 1 day. Event 1 day. Wages for 1 day. Correct? Once some laborers are working to organize the event, big event.
Yes, so got it.
Correct now? So some celebrities are coming, Shah Rukh Khan is coming, correct? You understand? Like miscellaneous. You understand? For 1 day. Now these 1 day expenses we don't want to add it to our normal expenses, no? Correct? Correct? No cost center manager will accept, no? Nobody will accept. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So that is the use of the real order. There we can collect the cost directly. Don't need to give any cost center. Directly you can collect the cost in the annual day real income. Is it clear? So this you can. This is the primary only, na? Primary only. Primary, na? We are spending the money, right? Correct? Yeah. Correct now. Entertainment expenses. Staff expenses, correct? We are giving awards to the best employees, correct now? We are paying the money to the celebrities to come, correct or not? So all those are expenditures, entertainment expense, staff expenditure, all these are happening, right? Yeah, and these are happening for only 1 day, not our regular operation, correct? Yeah. Understood now everybody? Real internal order.
Yes, sir.
So right then we will stop. Yes.
At the time of posting in FB50, sir, in cost element field, what we creating in is, for suppose we create cost object annual, the AD. In FB50, the AD letter is put in cost element or any specific field?
No, you are mixing it. Yeah, what you are saying is in FB50. In FB50, if it is rent, you give rent here, na? It is cost element. Cost element, and where we will give the order? Here we will give the order. Annual day. So without no need to give the cost center. That is what.
Sir, without cost center, it will not take price.
It will take. Because that is the difference. It will take. But is the difference between the real order and statistical order. Here, annual day, real order is the cost object. Statistical order is not the cost object, but real order is, that's why we are saying real.
Okay.
Real cost object. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Good. So very important, you need to know this. It's an interview question. Statistical order, how real orders are used, what is the purpose and everything. You should know.
So tomorrow also same time.
Tomorrow 4 o'clock. Sunday na special timing. Yeah, 4 to 6. Okay, guys? So tomorrow we will try to complete the real internal order concept. I will complete tomorrow. Okay?
Sir, will you share that resume, sir?
Resume 100% you will get it. But actually they have already shared. Many people have already got it. You did not get it. I will check.
I also not get it. I also did not.
You said you will upload that tomorrow.
Ram, okay?
Sandeep Kaur.
Sandeep. Okay.
Just raise the hand. Salvi.
Okay. Just raise the hand. Just raise the hand. Whoever did not get. Others who got, remove the raise hand. Better. Yeah, those who already got, remove your raise hand, and those who did not get, raise your hand.
Sir, Teja, sir.
Good idea. Raise your hand.
It's the pressure TV, na, sir? They said pressure.
Pressure only.
The pressure save only.
Sir, any for maybe.
Jyotsna, sir.
Yeah, raise your hand.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, any for me, please.
Yes, raise your hand.
Sir. Wallavura Sri Ramulu.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Wallavura Sri Ramulu.
No, just raise hand, man. Don't say that. Only raise hand. Hello, sir.
Alexa.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, Ariswamy B.
Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, yesterday I created my own list. I already sent it to you.
Yeah, I got the mails, quite a few mails I got. So tomorrow I will have a look and send it, okay? Yeah.
My name is
Don't
Jamal
worry.
Shukran.
Hello.
Sure. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, if we required 4+ experience, how we
That we will discuss later. Yeah, experience resumes I will talk to you separately. Yeah. For now we are just doing for the requirement, pressure requirement.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Thank you. Okay.
Okay then, thank you guys. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you. 4 o'clock. I have it. Yeah. We will meet tomorrow. 4 p.m. is the class. 4 p.m. Okay.
Sir, okay. Share it before.
Sure.